Hello YouTube friends and fans. Today I'm going to work on switches for my RV backup camera. Could be for your car or your truck or trailer, but it's going specifically on mine. Let me show you some good ways to get that accomplished. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So now we're working on installing the switches to control the rear cameras. Over here on my left hand side there were two open holes. We used the round one, and then I wanted to use a rocker switch for the other. So it's supposed to be a full-size rocker. As you can tell, it does nothing. So let me go it doesn't lock in, so let me take you to the shop and let's work on something there. Alright, first, helps to have a caliper. I use it to measure the switch, the size of it. This one is 1.22 inch. Then you use the other side to transfer your lines. I'm just doing this as a template. Let's see here, the other side is 0.82. This tells you, when you lay it up here, it'll tell you how long to fix your other line. Using a business card is a really good tool here, made out of stiff paper. Good retracto knife, it's very helpful. And if you notice, I have just the corners and the one end marked. We're going to freehand the rest of it with a razor blade. Then we check it. Size is good. A little too big left and right, so that's okay. We'll make the adjustment on our panel cover. So save this good blade for another project here in a second. I'm going to show you how we cut this open. Still have our markings from the side, or you can use your template. Then you take your pencil, mark your edges, and a torch is helpful, and heat this up into your razor blade. Get it glowing red hot, then follow your pencil line. It cuts like butter. You usually only get about a 1/2 inch per side. So that's the side. I'll show you the marks, how well that cut. Now for center of this, or the top, I take my little cutout here and lay it on here, and you'll notice, get my finger to hold it still, there is not much, I know it moved, there is not much left of that switch, but it'll be just enough, hopefully, just enough integrity of this cover to slide that switch into. Again, I'm actually going to leave, there's like a ridge here on the top. I'm going to stop at the ridge when I cut. Just going to draw my end lines. I'm going to remember I was a little big, so I'm going to shorten it up this time. I'm actually going to undercut this and clean this up. Letting the heat and the thinness of that blade do the work. There you go. See how close we are. I know it should be a little off yet. And it is. So now is when you take your other knife that's still got a really good blade on it, and you can clean this burr that's created on the top. Try to keep fingers out of the way so you don't cut yourself. And I cut myself. Sweet. And that's how the roughness is on the top. You can hopefully see the other edge that I cut and removed it. Let's continue on. So my problem here is a little thickness. I can either melt that some more, or I can take a piece of sandpaper and shave this down. But the easiest way to definitely would be to cut this edge out and only leave a thin strip right here. I can see, pretty thin line there. I think we're there. Now I gotta clean this other side up a little. You want it tight. Makes the switch function that much better. Ta-da! So this is going to be the switch that determines roof camera or hitch camera. I had to do a little notching here on the side. So that's got a square peg on the side of it. Had to cut that out. It's just a round hole, but that square peg stops it from turning. So that's important. And then that led me down the road of mounting the second switch, which I was having a real hard time with. So this took about an hour or so to chisel out. Well, friends, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and hope this video has been helpful to you, or will be helpful to you. If you would, give it a thumbs up, comment below. Yeah, I know, cut the finger, screwed that all up. Anyhow, see you on the next video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.